Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by protecting yourself and isolating power. Put on gloves and eye protection, then position the vehicle in park with the parking brake set. Once done, use a wrench to loosen the negative terminal clamp and pull the cable off the battery. Removing negative first prevents shorts. Make sure to tuck the disconnected cable away to avoid accidental contact. Next, loosen and remove the positive terminal clamp in the same way. Label each cable so you know which is which. Now you remove the old wire ends and prepare new terminations. Cut back to clean copper past any corrosion and inspect battery studs and clamps for pitting. Replace hardware if necessary. Measure new cable to follow factory routing and keep slack for engine movement, then strip about 1/2 inch of insulation. Slide heat shrink over the cable before attaching the lug. That way you can crimp the lug firmly and later shrink the sleeve for a sealed, professional joint that resists moisture and vibration. Finish by mounting the new lugs and securing everything in place. You should crimp the lug using the correct die and ratchet tool. Do not rely on pliers. Once the lug is attached and heat shrink is applied, reconnect the positive terminal first, then the negative, and torque clamps to the manufacturer's specification. Test system voltage and start the engine to confirm a good connection. If the car won't start, check for loose clamps, poor crimps, or blown fusible links. Use a multimeter to trace continuity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.